In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Odoo website. We'll go through the full process from opening the website app to designing your page and saving it so it's live on your site. This is a simple workflow, and once you understand it, you can quickly build new pages whenever you need them for things like services, promotions, company information, or landing pages. To get started, open the website app in Odoo. This is where you manage the pages and visual content for your website. Once you're inside, click Go to Website. That will open the front end of your website so you can work directly on the page builder and see your changes as you make them. Now that your website is open, go to the upper right corner and click New. This gives you options for what kind of content you want to create. From the available choices, select Page. This tells Odoo that you want to create a brand new website page rather than editing an existing one. Next, enter a name for your new page. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the page, since this helps keep your website organized and makes the page easier to identify later. After typing the page name, click Create. Odoo will then generate the new page and open it in editing mode so you can begin building the layout. At this stage, you can start designing the page using the blocks panel. This is one of the easiest parts of the Odoo website builder because it works with drag and drop. You can add different content sections such as text areas, images, banners, columns, and buttons. Arrange these blocks in a way that supports the message of the page and keeps it easy for visitors to read. Once your sections are in place, begin customizing the content. Update the text so it matches your topic. Replace images if needed, and make sure your links point to the correct destinations. You can also adjust other elements on the page to make everything feel polished and consistent. If you want to refine the look further, use the style and theme options to change the visual design. This can help your new page match the rest of your website and create a more professional appearance. When you're happy with the final result, click Save in the upper right corner. This saves your work and publishes the page so it becomes part of your website. And that's it. That's how to create a new page in Odoo website, customize it and publish it successfully.